Anetons, connecting professionals.
Okay, so I'll dive in directly from here. So first of all, in the course, the structure is something like first we'll go with foundation, then we'll go in advanced and specialized or architect level, and then we'll be talking about next. So I'll give you the breakup actually. First of all, we are going to cover all these important lectures, right? So in this lecture, first of all, we are going to cover, introduction we already have covered, licensing we already did, right? Walkthrough is already completed. Today we are here, right? We are doing setup Azure Azure AD Connect, that is called Entra, right? Then we'll talk about more in detail. This is where we are going to talk about Windows. We'll talk about Apple devices, right? This is where we are going to talk about Android. Okay, so 3 separate sections for this. We'll be talking about Autopilot deployment. So here we are going to talk about Entra ID. Another one we are going to talk about the hybrid. Okay, so we are giving the demonstration here in Entra Autopilot, right? Then we'll talk about here automation. Okay, in automation, we're going to talk about how Graph API works and how we can integrate Graph API in PowerShell, how we can leverage it with Intune, how we can fetch the data and all. So we can use it from here. Then we will come to PKI. Okay, this is what called your PKCS deployment. So how the certificates are being used for your Wi-Fi, for your email and for your VPN, right? So this is where you set your PKCS deployment. So PKCS is lightweighted, it's easy to manage, easy to set up. Then we have something called NDES and SCEP and NDES, like these are the quite complicated stuff. So we'll take it in in architect module, not here, right? So we will not be taking here, we'll be taking this to architect module. Now next we'll talk about this is called MAM. Okay, so here we'll be talking about MAM and MAM without enrollment. Then we'll talk about co-management and how we are going to set co-management. The entire demonstration will be done, right? Then we'll understand the flow of device enrollment, what exactly the flow happens, how the Windows gets enrolled, what are the methods, like there are 6 to 7 methods through which we can enroll it, right? Then Android enrollment, we'll go deep into it to understand what are the enterprises way through which they are enrolling the devices, right? So this would be the foundation. Then we will come to advanced module, right? In advanced module, we'll be first talking about the Power BI setup, how you can show the reporting, right? How you can show the reports to your client, your leadership and all, right? So this is where we are going to talk about it, right? Then we'll talk about CSPs. So CSPs are something where your device does have that settings, it carries that settings, but Intune does not have a capability, or they do not have any configuration item to leverage that and utilize that particular setting. For example, on my device I have a camera, right? But in Intune there is no way, there is no setting that I can use to disable this camera, right? So to fix that, we have a CSPs here, right, that we are going to use it. Then we'll talk about WinApp deployment. This is where we are talking about more on the application side. This is also we are integrating here PSADT, so which is called PowerShell module. Okay, so PowerShell development toolkit. This is where we are going to talk about. This is again coming from Patch My PC. So this is it's not necessary that you will have it, but now companies started adopting it, and PSADT is something using that, you can send a prompt to your users and they can defer it 3 times, 4 times, depends, like 3 times maximum. And then they can, the application will be forcefully installed to that. And it can also send the toast notification here right hand side. So that will be taken care of. Right, then we'll talk about BitLocker management. This is going to be a deep sessions, maybe 4 to 5 hours, right? Then we'll talk about SDK integration and app wrapping. SDK integration and app wrapping, this is where we'll talk about if we have any application and we want to integrate, or we like this is an LOB application mainly, right? So in a LOB application, how you manage things. Then we'll understand the basic of app deployment in Android Studio. So this is where we are going to use AI. Okay, using that we will build a desired application, right? We'll convert that into .apk using Android Studio, or we can directly use AI tools to get that done, and then we will install that application to see how that does that work. Okay, then Intune SDK integration, this is where, I mean, it's not detailed because we are not talking about more on application packaging, because we are more on understanding how the application works. And as an Intune engineer, what is your limitation? What is your scope that you should be knowing it, right? So we'll talk about it. This is where we'll be talking about Cloud PC. I'll give you the understanding about VDI, AVD, WD, and Cloud PC is something that we are going to use it, right? In every organization, they have started adopting Cloud PC. AVD is a quite complex architecture and they require expert for AVD. So Cloud PC is something that you have a browser, you simply you just open your Internet Explorer or your Chrome, access the URL. There you will have a Cloud PC, double click and just you use it as a normal PC, right? You do not require any physical any physical configuration on your machine, right? It doesn't need it, right? Then we will talk about PAM, okay, privileged identity management, PAM and PIM. This is where we'll understand how we can restrict the access and we can give a just in time access to the users, so that they will be elevated from standard to admin role. Okay, and this admin role will be given for just in time for maybe 2 hours, 3 hours, depend, right? Then we will be talking about Android zero touch enrollment, and then we will be going to RBAC, role based access control. This is where we'll talk about how we can utilize the built-in rules, or how we can create custom rules and you can use it. Windows update, we'll be talking about different set of updates, what are the prereqs, licenses, and then how you can create the rings, right? And how you can use auto patch. Okay, we'll talk about auto patch, we'll talk about hot patch here, right? All this will be taking care of it. Then we have something called endpoint privilege management. So if you have whitelisted any particular application and user is trying to elevate that, they're trying to run as admin, so that will be allowed. Rest all will be disallowed. Okay, rest all the application will be disallowed. This is where we're going to talk about NDES and SCEP. We'll have an understanding about the NDES role, how we can utilize it, how we can do the load balancing. This is where we'll be talking more about Apple automated deployment, device enrollment process, how we can do that. And then lately we'll be talking about migration. Okay, somewhere here I am just adding it manually because I think it is not mentioned. So we'll talk about something called PKG packages, right? Using these PKG package, how we are going to deploy this to the new machines. Okay, that PPKG package is there. So this is how the course module is designed. Okay, this is how we are going to do. And in migration also we are going to talk about GPU migration. Okay, GPU migration, we'll be understanding about the limitation and what sort of migration reporting, how you see how the migration will work. Everything we'll be talking about it. Next is something called the bonus point, right? This is where the bonus comes in. Now we will, after completing all this, we'll be coming with AI plus security. Okay, this is where we'll be understanding how Copilot, okay, how we can use Copilot in our environment, and plus we'll be understanding about the endpoint security. Okay, this is completely covered in this. So this is where we'll be talking about endpoint security and sentinel and all. We'll be talking about how we can prompt do the data leakage. We can understand what is there and how we can utilize Copilot in this for the threat hunting and responses, right? This one would be the bonus lecture, and then we will have a complete lecture for the automation. So this is where we'll be talking about automation, right? And we'll talk about multiple script for usage, right? And I'll give you multiple scripts with the different scenarios that you can utilize in your environment, right? So this is something, automation is something when you have some repetitive task and you just wanted to hand off and you just wanted to create it via automation, so that you can do it. So we'll talk about how we can do it using a PowerShell API and Graph API and PowerShell integration. Okay. Next is we having a last one, which is not the last, but I would say for this course this would be the last. But as an anecdote, we have, I mean, in this subscription we are already having a lifetime connect. So in interview preparation, we'll be talking about different scenarios of interview. We'll set the mock interviews as well, right? And we'll help you with your resume. Okay, resume formatting plus your LinkedIn. Okay, so LinkedIn wasn't there, so we just thought of, because we have seen LinkedIn is not properly curated, so we'll also help you with some LinkedIn profile. We'll review it and we'll help you giving the suggestion how we can tailor it according to the market, right? And then we'll give you some common interview questions bank, so that will be complete under the resources, right? Resources sections, you can get it. So there will be multiple MCQ questions, there will be multiple scenario based questions, and quick rapid round where they will ask like what you do in this scenarios and all. So from basics to architect and different set of scenarios, we'll talk about it. Okay, so, and we'll also ensure that when you are appearing for interviews, right? Interviews, what would be your posture? Okay, what would be your posture? How would you appear for interviews? Where you should where should you negotiate? Okay, and where you should agree? Okay, we'll talk about all this. And also we have this lifetime connect. So we in the community, okay, you will keep on getting the job updates. Okay, and if you guys have not joined this job updates community group, please join it, because we have started working on it. And nowadays because Intune jobs and everywhere we are hearing about the jobs, so we just wanted to keep an eye, and we are well equipped, we are ready to conquer. There shouldn't be, I mean, you should only be disqualified because of the salary package. Okay, you shouldn't be disqualified because of the knowledge and your preparations. Okay, so whosoever is also like appearing for interviews, they can send us the JD. Okay, we'll help you out taking time curating the relevant questions that you may come across from that JD and from that company, and then we will give it to you and you can prepare your own. Okay, so it's all in the subscription. We are not charging anything here. One more thing we just come across, there is, I mean, we are not doing it for India, but for other regions we are helping them with the term called proxy. Okay, so we'll talk in detail when you are connecting to us one-to-one. We'll help you out what is that proxy call about and how we can leverage and how can we help you with your job and your placements. Okay, so that is all. That is overall the course structure. I think people were keep on asking, so I just thought to cover it up. Okay, let's come back